Hi Year 3 and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. So let's go through our calculation starter first. So 15 add 85 equals 100, 100 subtract 30 equals 70, 4 add 4 equals 8, so add 2 equals 10, so 10 subtract 8 equals 2. 100 more than 643 is 743, 100 more than 400 is 500, 100 more than 711 is 811. 426 add 313 is 739. 641 subtract 231 is 410. 31 divided by 5 is 6, remainder 1. 23 times 2 is 46. Double 33 is 66. Double 47 is 94. And double 18 is 36. Then our money problem. If I buy a bag of sweets for £3.55 and I pay with a £5 note, how much change will I get? So the answer is £1.45. And then you need to partition the number 764 in as many ways as you could. So you could have 700, add 60, add 4. You could have 700, add 50, add 14. Obviously, there are loads and loads of ways. So as long as you've got something written down, that is fine. So let's have a look at what we are going to do today. So we're sticking with measure, but today we are looking at equivalent lengths. So we're looking at equal lengths when we're looking at meters and centimeters. So equivalent lengths just means equal lengths, so lengths that are the same. So things that are the same, but just written in a different way. So you can see here, we have got, these are centimeters. So we've got 0 to 1000. So going up in 100s, we have got centimeters. Now we're going to convert them into meters. So hopefully you can remember that 0 meters is 0 centimeters. 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. So 2 meters is the same as 200 centimeters. 300, as you can see, the same on and on. Then 1,000 centimeters is actually the same as 10 meters. So that's just showing you. So 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. 200 centimeters is the same as 2 meters, and on and on. So if we know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters, then we also know that 4 meters is the same as 4 lots of 100 centimeters, which of course is the same as 400 centimeters. So 200 centimeters is the same as 2 lots of 100 centimeters, which obviously is the same as 2 lots of 2 meters, which is 2 meters. Okay, so we've got centimeters going up this side, and we've got it in meters and centimeters over here. So sometimes we do length and height in meters and centimeters, just to make it a bit quicker and to make it make more sense. So we know that 510 centimeters is the same as 500 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So we're going to keep our 10 centimeters, but we want to change 500 centimeters into meters. So hopefully you know that 500 centimeters is the same as 5 meters. So 510 centimeters, instead of saying that, we quite often would say it's 5 meters and 10 centimeters. So especially if we're measuring things that are really long or really tall, then we quite often refer to them as meters and centimeters instead of just centimeters. So if we've got 520 centimeters, we can refer to that as 5 meters and 20 centimeters, which is the same as 520 centimeters. So have a think, what would 530 centimeters be in meters and centimeters? So hopefully you got that it would be 5 meters and 30 centimeters. Then obviously just going up, we've got the same. We can see this is how many meters we've got and this is how many centimeters. So 540 centimeters is the same as 5 meters and 40 centimeters. So on and so on until we get to the next meter, which then we can just say is 6 meters. Okay, so let's go on to our next thing. So here we've got a 2 meter stick. So we've got 1 meter here and 2 meters here. So this overall is 2 meters. So that means that this bit here is 100 centimetres, because we know there are 100 centimetres in a metre. So this is showing us, though, that this 1 metre stick is split up into 10 sections. So we're doing 100 centimetres divided by 10. So how many 10s can I fit into 100? So hopefully you know that that is 10, because I can fit 10 10s into 100. Each of these sections is 10, so each of these sections must be 10 centimetres. So I can use that to know that this little line here will be 10 centimetres. So what would this line represent? So if you want to pause the video so that you can count, you can do that. So we can see this would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 centimetres. Now we need to work out what this one is. So we can see that we've got to 1 metre here. We know that these are 10s. So we could say this is 130 centimetres. We've got 100 centimetres, 10, 20, 30. Or we could say that it's 1 metre and 30 centimetres. Okay, now we need to work out what this one is. So we did a little bit of this yesterday when we were doing measuring. So it's between 130 and 140 centimetres. So of course, halfway between 130 and 140 is 5. So we've got between the 30 and the 40 is 5. So we have got 135 centimetres, or 1 metre and 35 centimetres. So that is what we are doing today. So we are converting centimetres to metres, metres to centimetres, and we're just seeing how we can say it. So we can say something as all centimetres, or we can say it as part metre and part centimetre. So hopefully that should be nice and easy for you to do today. Hopefully you will enjoy it. If there are any problems or any questions, please do let me know. And I will see you for our next lesson. Bye guys.